We have Raheem in the house. Give him a follow on his YouTube. He brought Dave's car down from New York, and we're doing a drive shaft and a diff upgrade. Go and check it out. Busy day at the shop.
We got the code read over there.
That's a little MyLynh right there. So we got the wagon up, our axles in, so we're gonna be dropping, he's running the 60K 3-inch upgrade. This one just hasn't been painted yet, but 60K, BC, 3-inch, 1310, 1310, 1310 everywhere. Gonna drop this thing up in here. We should be good to go for FL2K, baby. This guy. You about to make me order? This don't boom him on. This guy.
Look, I told you.
He didn't even tell nobody that Homo was coming, dude.
Well, technically, I didn't tell nobody at all.
Yeah,
I did a last minute ticket.
Didn't tell nobody. He hit me on the text, and I was like, yo. I bet.
Hey, I told him to stay. He said we're winging it this weekend. I said, all right, well, I'm winging it with you. I bought my ticket and I said I'm gonna flight the next day, you know?
Oh, that's dope. That's dope, man.
I didn't want to miss FL2K, so we out here.
It's about to be lit.
Yo, yard man, this tonight. Yard man, you done up on the YouTube.
YouTube,
yeah, man,
S1 is in
you see it.
Need a signature.
Oh yeah, just sign it. Yeah. Just sign it.
So you're up onto that good?
Yeah, man, I deliver to the greats, you know? Everything good?
Yeah, man, bless up.
Oh, you ain't even saw it, bro.
Man, what's wrong with you, man? You know you're the founding father.
I know, right? Williamson. You said Williamson? Yeah. Alright.
No, let's get it.
Yeah, I always sign and say St. Kong. Alright, brother, bless up. Yeah, man. Dave almost done wrapping it up.
Yeah, we're about to put in the drive shaft.
Drive shaft, and then we're going to
Do it.
Do it.
Do it to me one more time.
TR Auto. Yep. What do you think so far, man?
Oh man, I'm excited. I just want to do a hit.
Yeah, man. The right foot gonna be like boom, 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 and
Yeah.
boom.
Right on the floor automatically.
Oh man, that's good, man.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Man, I'm excited for you, bro. Yeah, work out nice. Bunks around. This is how you bunks around. This is how you bunks around. Give him a follow. This is how you bunks around. Never stay down, right?
Amen.
You go down, you always come back up right away.
We just got the back window from Lyna Flexan.
They did it overnight?
Yeah, overnight.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I.
The biscuit's on the wrong side.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see what you're saying.
See, he did it 42, but he was supposed to put the biscuits on this side,
And flip it around.
not on this side. He did though. He did put it at 42.
He did it right, just backward.
He did it right.
No, I mean do it wrong then.
I mean, you did it wrong.
I know why he did it like this.
Why?
Because I gave him another drawing from another customer, but the customer went from this one here to this one over here.
Yeah, the one you were explaining to him.
Yeah.
You get
So
confused.
that's why he's kind of confused.
It's okay. Let's cut that out. It's all right. Owner said cut it out. Get that.
Get the
First time all we drive at FL2K, right?
Actually, yeah. I've never been to an FL2K event. Me driving a car.
Drive a car, well that's good. So this is the first, you're breaking out with an all-wheel drive then?
Yep.
First time, that's good, man.
Yeah. Hopefully nothing breaks.
Yeah, well something's, you know, race car, but
Yeah, it's a race car. Exactly.
yeah, but nice.
That's why I say hopefully. You know.
Yeah.
But it should be a lot of fun regardless. Did a friend's car once.
Yeah.
Some of the parts that he gave me as well. And that was a street car. It makes 600 horsepower. And that was a lot of fun.
How much is this motor making, you know?
Right now it's making 960.
960?
Yeah.
So you're just going to go out there, feel the car and everything and build from there. This is the first time bringing it out?
Yeah, first time being out with it, literally.
Okay.
I did a street pass in front of my shop and that was like very simple.
So you guys, have you just going to feel out the car. You know you're going to know it's Javituned, so don't go trying to race the man and talk crap. This man is trying to feel the car out, man.
Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Get them bolts up top.
So steady making progress a little bit.
You know what I'm saying?
There you go.
Teamwork, make the dream work.
It has enough space. This should pull the metal down. Okay. Fast to go down.
Check it out, one side done. They're gonna weld this up next. Alignment at TR Auto. And don't forget, like, subscribe, check him out at FL2K. Thank you guys for watching, all the support. Peace.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind is We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind is
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind is
Them wheels are always gripping.